have here is the Power Stroke 2200 PCI or PSI 2.0 gallons per minute power washer. This is gas powered from Walmart. This is how good that it's I'm going to use it and show you how good it is. You have to make sure that you use regular oil in it. It comes with a 12-ounce bottle, and you put it in here and you make sure it's filled right there, and we see that the oil is in there and it's filled. And next it runs off regular gasoline. It does not run off of 2-cycle or anything like that. Let me get this plastic cap back on here. Okay. Now, if I was going to be doing soap, I would put this into a soap container. I have the water hose plugged in, well, actually screwed in right here. I'm getting ready to put gas, regular gasoline right here. Gonna fill it up. A little bit overfill there, and tighten the lid on it. And then you light a match. No, I'm joking. It has these different tips right here, and they're color coded to what you want to use it for. Okay, this is going to be a little loud. There's no tip on it? Okay. Let's see what tip we need. Looks like the white one. Just kind of scrubbing the vinyl siding here. As I'm going up. Okay. Probably the sprayer. I'll get it. Hopefully it's doing its thing. Okay, clean right here. You can see right in front of us, we're cleaning the siding. Got to get the mildew off of here. It's been about a year, maybe a little over, since we cleaned this. You can see up there. All the way up about halfway to that window. Okay, if you made it this far, here's my review. You can get this 2,200 pounds per square inch power stroke gas powered pressure washer at Walmart for $239, and I will give a link to it in the video. If you're wondering, as you can see, look how good this cleans the vinyl sidings on the house. Remember, if you want to know what to set it to, an average setting, pounds per square inch for vinyl siding is 1,300 to 1,600 pounds per square inch, but look in your manual before you do so. Anyways, I give this pressure washer a 5 out of 5. I have cleaned everything. I've cleaned the driveway, the patio, the vinyl sidings. I recommend you checking this out and getting one. Remember, the links will be in the description below.